Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Fidelity money market account. We'll start by understanding what these accounts offer and why they might be a good choice for your financial goals. Then, we'll cover the essential information you'll need to gather before you begin the application process. This guide aims to make opening your new account straightforward and easy to follow. Before you begin, make sure you meet Fidelity's eligibility requirements. You will need your Social Security number and details from your bank account for easy funding. Consider how much you wish to invest initially. Some accounts may have a minimum, perhaps $100 or more. Having these items prepared will streamline your application significantly. To begin, visit the Fidelity website and locate the Open an Account section. From there, select the option for a money market account. You will then be guided through an online application form. Carefully fill in all required personal and financial information, ensuring accuracy to avoid any delays in processing your new account. Once your account is open, you can easily fund it by linking your bank account for electronic transfers. Fidelity offers various money market fund options, so take time to explore which one best suits your needs. You can also set up automatic contributions to help grow your savings consistently. Remember to monitor your account regularly to track its performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.